everybody! Happy you're joining us. In this bonus video, you have a sequence 6, 24, 96, and we wanted to find the 7th term. And today I am showing you the two best ways to solve this. First method is the manual way. This method is perfect for short sequences. As you can see, we found that each term is multiplied by 4. This 4 is what we call our common ratio. Since the first term is 6, we can get the second term by multiplying the first term by 4. And the second term is 6 times 4, which equals 24. And the third term is 24 times 4, which equals 96. And the fourth term is 96 times 4, which equals 384. And the fifth term equals 384 times 4, which equals 1536. And the sixth term is 1536 times 4, which equals 6144. And the seventh term is 6144 times 4, which equals 24,576. And for our problem, we want to get the seventh term, which equals 24,576. And this is the solution by using the manual method. Let's solve the problem by using the second method, which is called the formula way. We have a geometric sequence and we can use the rule an equals a times r to the power n minus 1, where a is the first term and r is the common ratio and n is the required term. In our problem, the first term a is equal to 6 and the common ratio r is equal to 4 and the required term n is equal to 7. Substituting a, r and n into the equation, we find that a 7 equals 6 times 4 to the power 7 minus 1, which equals 6 times 4 to the power 6, which equals 24,576. And this is the solution by using the formula method. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and see you next time.